Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. In this video, I will explain about atomic mass and atomic volume. In this video, we will also differentiate between atomic mass and atomic weight. These are similar units and students may confuse. So after watching this video, their concepts will be clear between atomic mass and atomic weight, so they can easily differentiate. Now come to the difference between atomic mass and atomic weight. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom, but the atomic weight is the weight of an atom. So when we're talking about mass, we can say that it is atomic mass, but when we are considering about weight, we say that it is the atomic weight. Isotopes are not included in the calculation. So when we are going to calculate atomic mass, isotopes we do not consider. But in case of atomic weight, isotopes are included in the calculation. The third major difference is that atomic mass is the sum of protons and neutrons of a single atom. In the nucleus of an atom, there are protons and neutrons. So the sum of number of protons and neutrons is called the atomic mass. Example, atomic mass of carbon atom is 12 because there are 6 neutrons and 6 protons in the nucleus of carbon. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So what will be the atomic mass of carbon? That is 12. So and atomic weight, while the atomic weight is the weight average of the atomic mass of all natural isotopes of an element. Example, atomic weight of carbon is 12.0107. So how can we calculate atomic weight of any atom? In this example, we consider about carbon atomic weight. So what is average atomic mass? First we consider about average atomic mass. The average atomic mass of an element is the sum of the masses of its isotopes, each multiplied by its natural abundance. Natural abundance means that how much percentage of that atom is found in the nature or in the earth crust. So this is called its natural abundance. For example, carbon has following three isotopes with relative abundances and masses are as shown against each of them. So there are 3 isotopes of carbon, C12, C13 and C14, and their percentage relative abundances are 98.892 for the carbon 12, 1.108% for carbon 13 and 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 for carbon 14. And the atomic mass unit AMU for the C12 is 12, for C13 is 13.00335 AMU, and for C14 it is 14.00317. So from the above data, the average atomic mass of carbon will come out to be, so this is for the calculation for the atomic weight for the carbon atom. So you have to multiply its natural relative abundance and in terms of percentage by its atomic mass unit, and the addition of each of the isotope of carbon with its relative abundances and multiply by its atomic mass unit, and the final addition, we will get the answer 12.011 units. So this is the atomic weight of carbon 12. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Also like and share my videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. These are my contact details. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.